Looking for a healthier way to cook your favorite foods? In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best air fryers for healthy cooking in 2025. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy chicken, or baked treats, these top picks are designed to deliver all the flavor with little to no oil. We'll break down their unique features, performance, and why they're perfect for anyone looking to make the switch to healthier cooking without sacrificing taste. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. 5th product on our list, Acekool 5 Quart Air Fryer. The Acekool 5 Quart Digital Display Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, a versatile all-in-one appliance designed to simplify your cooking. With its powerful 1500 watt capacity, it offers 10 preset modes, from air frying and baking to grilling and dehydrating. Whether it's steak, shrimp, or desserts, this air fryer can do it all. Plus, its transparent glass window lets you monitor every step of the cooking process. Operating this air fryer is effortless. The intuitive LED digital touchscreen displays all the presets for easy selection. Want more control? Adjust the temperature and cooking time manually with the handy knob. It's all about making cooking stress-free and customizable to your taste. What sets this air fryer apart is its focus on safety and health. It features an overheating protection system and automatic shutoff for peace of mind. Using 360 degrees hot air circulation, it delivers crispy, delicious meals with little to no oil, perfect for guilt-free indulgence. Elevate your cooking game with the Acekool Air Fryer. It's the perfect blend of convenience, health, and style. 4th product on our list, Fabuletta FAF001A Air Fryer. The Fabuletta FAF001A Air Fryer, a powerful 4.2 Cutie appliance designed to make cooking easier and healthier. With 9 customizable cooking programs, it's perfect for everything from crispy fries to roasted chicken. This air fryer uses 1500 W of power to ensure quick, even cooking, while its tempered glass display offers a sleek, modern touch. The easy-to-use interface allows you to select your desired program with a simple touch. Want more control? Adjust the settings manually for personalized cooking results. Safety and convenience are built in. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleaning a breeze. The sturdy stainless steel housing ensures durability, and the 4.2-liter capacity is ideal for families or meal prepping. With the Fabuletta FAF001A, enjoy oil-free cooking without compromising on taste. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen, combining innovation, ease, and health. 3rd product on our list, Gourmia 8 Cutie Air Fryer. The Gourmia 8 Cutie Air Fryer, the perfect kitchen companion for anyone looking to cook smarter and healthier. With its extra-large 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or meal prepping. This air fryer features 12 preset cooking options, making it easy to cook everything from crispy fries to tender chicken with the push of a button. Thanks to FryForce 360 technology, the Gourmia air fryer ensures even cooking with little to no oil. It also includes a preheat reminder and guided prompts, so you're always in control. The sleek stainless steel housing complements any kitchen style, while the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and crisper tray make cleaning effortless. With 1750 watt of power and a maximum temperature of 1 degree Fahrenheit, this air fryer delivers fast, consistent results every time. The Gourmia 8 Cutie is a must-have for anyone looking to cook quickly, healthily, and easily. 2nd product on our list, Xiaomi Mijia MAF06 Air Fryer. The Xiaomi Mijia MAF06 Air Fryer, the perfect blend of innovation and convenience. With a 4.5-liter capacity, this multifunctional fryer is designed for the modern kitchen, offering air frying, grilling, baking, thawing, and even fermentation. The unique circular air duct design ensures uniform cooking without the need for turning. Thanks to its 360 degrees ring-shaped hot air circulation, your food becomes crispy on the outside while staying juicy on the inside, ideal for healthy, low-oil meals. The upgraded 3-dimensional cyclone fryer basket guarantees even cooking, while the wide temperature range of 40 to 200 degrees Celsius covers everything from high-temperature baking to low-temperature fermentation. With a 1200-watt light-wave tube, heating is faster and more energy-efficient. Enjoy quicker cooking times without sacrificing taste. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or a beginner, the Xiaomi Mijia MAF06 makes every meal a breeze. 1st product on our list, Miui Smart Air Fryer. The Miui 5-liter Smart Air Fryer, a top choice for healthier and faster cooking. With a 5L capacity and 1450W power, this air fryer is perfect for family meals. The intelligent touch control allows you to set your desired cooking mode easily. The visible window lets you monitor the cooking process without opening the lid. Thanks to its WOS intelligent temperature control algorithm, the fryer ensures precise and consistent heat, delivering perfectly cooked meals every time. The silicone non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze while ensuring safety during use. This versatile air fryer isn't just for frying. It can also bake, grill, and roast with minimal oil, providing healthier options. The high-quality construction and materials make this a durable addition to your kitchen. If you're looking for convenience, versatility, and health-conscious cooking, the Miui 5-liter air fryer is the right choice.